how to clear payments on Cash App. So here's what we want to do. So you can't directly clear your payment history, but what we can do instead is click on our profile icon in the top right, and then we will go into support. Now from here, we want to use the search bar to search for close like this, and you will see close your Cash App account. Now I'll explain why we will do this. So if you want to clear your history, you will close your Cash App account, and what you will do afterwards is reopen the account or reopen another account using the same phone number. So in a way, this is going to clear all of your information, and afterwards you can reopen another Cash App account and you will begin fresh. You will begin from nothing essentially, but that is only if you want to completely close your account and remove all of your data associated with it. So I hope this workaround way was helpful. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.